Hello viewers, welcome to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see MPhil and PhD notification. Here the university is Central University of Karnataka. So you can see that there is a MPhil in psychiatric social work. So the duration of course is 2 years, and you can see that those who get their master degree in social work, medical and psychiatric social work, and any other specialization. So those who are willing to join here, they can join. So here the seats are 8 seats are there. You can see that based on the Government of India reservation policies. So the full seat has been filled with CU set only. You can see that the PhD programs here it is Hindi. So there are 5 seats are there in Hindi. You can see that, and then PhD in Kannada. So Kannada there are 4 plus 3 plus 3. So there are 10 seats almost there. You can see that a classical Kannada, so there is only 3 seats. You can see that in PhD in English there are 8 seats are there. PhD in economics there are 5 seats are there, and then PhD in management there is only one seat which is reserved for economically weaker section. You can see that PhD in psychology there are 5 seats are there. You can see that commerce, so PhD in commerce there are only 4 seats. So in social work, they are having 4 seats. You can see that physics, there are 3 seats. You can see that there is 9 seats in the Department of Chemistry. You can see that in mathematics, 6 seats are there. In geology, 7 plus 1, 8 seats are there. You can see that electronics and communication engineering, it has 2 seats, and then geography, 4 seats. PhD in computer science, there is only 2 seats, and then PhD in linguistics, there is 2 seats are there. So these all are some of the courses which is offered by Central University of Karnataka. So you can see that all the PhD seats will be allotted or else filled based on CU set. So in the description box, I'll give the CU set online application link. By clicking that, you can apply to Central University of Karnataka, and then you can select the specific course which you want to get PhD admission. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamped YouTube channel. Thank you.